seen the work order. Oh, sorry, guys. Okay. Right, this is the work order process. Okay, yesterday we are theoretical. Today we'll see in the system. Okay. Right. Okay. The T code is IW31. Okay. IW13 is the T code to create the work order. Okay. Here you can see the order type. Okay. This order type defines what maintenance process we are going to do. General maintenance, preventive, calibration. Okay, like that, different maintenance process. Okay. So that I told yesterday, right here, general, corrective, breakdown, project, preventive, calibration. Like this, what process we are going to choose. For now, we'll take as PM01. Okay, general maintenance, right? So you can do maintenance at the equipment level or you can do maintenance at the FL level. Okay, both you can do. There is no change or anything, right? So take your enter equipment, right? If you press enter, okay, the equipment is not having the FL. Okay, that is what FL is not coming. If FL is there, FL will come automatically. If you see the structure tab, there is no FL. There is no FL. So we'll take a problem. We can do with that, but just I want to show you. Okay. Yeah. When I enter this equipment, okay, from the equipment, the FL will come automatically. Because in this equipment, FL is there in the structure. If you go to the equipment, right, you have the FL here, right? You have the FL, so that FL will automatically come here. When both are coming here, when both objects are coming here, the maintenance is done on the equipment only. FL is for information purpose. FL is for information purpose. When both objects are there, maintenance is done at the equipment level, not at the FL level. FL is only information. In case if the equipment is not there, only FL is there, then maintenance is done at the FL level. Okay, in that case, maintenance can be done at the FL level also. There is just this is for information purpose. Any doubts or clarifications on this? Anyone? Okay, right. So this is the description, okay, for general maintenance, right? Okay, right. So this is the work order type. Okay, this is the system status. UK is no system status. Okay, there is no user status here. Okay, so from the equipment or the from the technical object, your planner group main work center will get automatically copied. Okay, go to the operation tab, list the activities what we want to do. Okay, what all activities you want to do. Okay, winding check. Okay, oil replacement, water wash. Okay, bearing check. Okay, like this you can enter whatever activities you need to do. In the operation tab, what we are entering the activities are the list of work we are going to do. Okay, control key will come. Control key is very important point. Okay, normally PM01 and 03 are the PM control key. Somewhere we saw control key. Where we saw? Anyone? Madam, you
Sir,
don't
I
tell,
have
madam.
one question.
Yeah, tell me, sir. Tell me.
In the operation tab, you are entering that in that field, no? You are selecting from the operation short text. So these are predefined short text.
These are
Predefined, no? Is it from a task list or somewhere? It is.
no. Task list is preventive. I am not going to preventive. I am speaking general work order now. What you told, I
Okay.
agree. That is from the task list only for preventive. We are not doing preventive,
Okay,
right?
sir. Okay.
No, your question is correct. Prevent is PM02. If you see here, right, it will be PM02. Normally, here PM03. I didn't take PM03 because work order will not create in the screen. Work order will automatically create in the backend and the scheduling. For that is a different topic that we'll see later, not now. Okay, we are not using task list. We can enter manually here. Even in case if you want to enter activities from some task list, you can do. Okay, you can enter from here. See here, take a general task list. Okay, should the operations be deleted? No. General task list. Example, since you asked that point, I am taking this task list. Okay, so it is asking the work center planned. Okay.
The screen is not moving, sir.
For everyone? Everyone not able to see my screen?
I can see, sir.
I think your side issue, Mr. Ranganath. So these are the activities, okay? All selected, okay? See, from the task list also you can pull your activities. Right, Mr. Jagir sir?
Yes, sir, got it.
Here, environment, extras, task list, okay? What type of task list? General, okay. Reference to object may be equipment or FL, okay. Direct entry. Yeah, you can take which option you need, equipment, general or FL. If FL, put FL and give a FL. There are three types of processes. That is different topic. Later we'll see. And equipment means you need to give the equipment and you need to give the equipment number. For that equipment task list there. General task list, you can enter here and you can take this view also. Right? You can take this view also. Group and group control is asking. If you know the group control, we can enter, or as I did now, you can go in this, right? But only general task list here. So execute from the task list computer activities. We'll discuss the task list and all. Right. So activities are entered here. So this is the number of resources they are going to work. Okay. Number of resources they are going to work. 3 hours. Duration 1. 3 people. Number is nothing but the number of resources. What is capacity? Anyone? Capacity.
It's labor.
Still
Number of
proper.
hours resources are available.
Number of
resources.
Hours
Yes.
resources are available.
Who is that? Sir, correct answer, sir. Who is that? Who gave the answer?
Tom.
Oh, you are reading, huh? Kerala man. Great man. Okay. I thought you're always one with your girlfriend. Great. Okay. So yeah, that's what. Number is nothing but the number of hours resources available. Number of, okay, here it is here. Number of, okay. So it is the number of resources here, okay. And the duration is 1 hour to the number of hours they are working, okay. So here again I'm telling number of resources here, okay, not the capacity, here the number of resources, okay. So here 2 hours, right, four people for 2 hours, again 4 people for 1 hour, okay, 10 people for 5 hours, right. So there is a field calculation key, there is a field calculation key here. Normally it will be work, normally it will be work, okay. It is coming from the confusion that we'll see later. Press enter. Since, so this I think I told during work center. Anyone? Any guess on this? Anyone? It is nothing but the capacity here, okay. The capacity here is actually should not come. Why it is coming? Should not come actually. Why it is coming? I don't know. 5 people, 75 hours. Okay. Here it is only 3 people, 9 hours. Maybe it is coming for different operation. I didn't notice. Okay. So that is, it will check here your capacity. Okay. It will check the number of resources. If it is more than that or this capacity, it will check. So we will get that warning message that I kept in our Excel. Okay. Open, sir. Okay, let it open. Right. So that is about that warning, right? So write in your hand note. Okay. Your calculation key decides your work. Work is nothing but multiplication of number of resources and number of hours. Work is nothing but multiplication of number of resources and the number of hours they are working. See here, 3 into 3 is 9, 4 into 2 is 8, 4 into 2 is 8, 4 into 1 is 4. It is nothing but the number of resources and the number of hours technicians are working. That is what the work. Okay, it is coming from the calculation key. Okay, right. Okay, this is point, and these are the activities we are going to do. Okay, so if I want to add materials, absolutely I need the materials, right? So you can go to the commoners tab. Ranganath, what are the 2 material categories, item categories? Ranganath sir, Cheppandi. Ranganath sir, Cheppandi.
Material categories.
Item categories for material. For material, there are 2 item categories. Only for PM, we did even last week only, I think so. Zagir? Zagir sir.
It's L and N. N
Absolutely.
for non-stock material and N for stock material.
Ranganath sir, this practice and all not enough. Okay, don't tell no time this and all. No time not for me. That's all I am telling generally, please do practice. Okay, non-stock and stock material, right? As Mr. Jagir told, okay, non-stock and stock material. So you can enter your material here. Okay, so we are doing for 1000 plant, right? So you need to take only 1000 plant only here. Okay, give the quantity 5%. What happened? Okay, that issue will come something. That is MM issue, not our issue. Take some other item category is asking. Okay, L. Okay, so for which operation? For which operation activity? In the means it is asking which operation activity. This here there are many operations, right? This is called operation activity. Okay, so when you are entering the component, it is asking this component is for which operation activity. Okay, and this is the plant item category, quantity required, description will come from the material. Sometimes it may ask storage location. Actually, we need to enter. Okay, normally we need to enter. Storage location is not found for this material. So where you can get the storage location and all, I think I told during MM duration, T code is MMB. Okay, MMB. I told, I think so, but I'm not sure. Material against the plant, execute. See here, 000 is your storage location. 000 is your storage location, 1000 is your plant. Okay, so give it 0001. Okay, and as I told before, I think I had told, okay, for stock material, I told or not, I don't know. Okay, is it our sheet? I think I'm writing in the top or right. Material stock. Okay, for non-stock material, PR will get generated. PR means purchase requisition. Purchase requisition. And for stock material, reservation. Reservation means if, for example, stock material I need 5 means, okay, a reservation number will get generated, some number. Okay, so this number will block 5 quantity of this material for our work order. To block means this, it is reserved, it is getting reserved. Okay, 5 material is getting reserved against this reservation number generated for this work order because it is a stock material. Okay, that is called reservation. So here reservation will get generated. Anyhow, we will see during MM integration. Don't worry, just I'm touching basics. This and all we need to know. Non-stock, right in a run out. Non-stock PR will get generated. Stock reservation will get generated. Write it, please. Very basic. This is not a. Okay, right. So you can enter more materials also. Okay, you can do in this way also. For example, if I want line item 40, you can select line item 40, come here, enter here material. Okay, use the quantity 10. Item category. Now I'm putting non-stock. Okay, again it is asking. Okay, give the operation activity. This operation activity. Okay, this is a general message. Don't worry on this. This is a normal message. It will come. Okay, delivery date can be met. That's not our work. Normally this will come. So don't worry on that. Just press enter. Okay. So if you see here for non-stock material, PR will get generated. This is a non-stock material. Okay, non-stock material, purchase requisition will get generated. Stock material, reservation will get generated. Very important, basic fundamental. Actually, we'll be seeing material goods movement. We'll see later. Okay, a mandatory MM integration. Okay, we need to see that will go to class, maybe 1 or 2 sessions here. Many things we need to see later. But what I'm telling is fundamental. Stock, non-stock, PR, stock, reservation. Okay, very important. Right, like this you can add more materials. Okay. How many materials you want, you can enter. That's not a restriction. As you guys know, we discussed on BOM. Remember, bill of material. How I can give material, how I can pull material from BOM. Anyone? How I can pull material from BOM?
Through task, sir.
Sorry.
Task list.
Task list.
In this work order, I need to pull material. We completed bill of material, right? BOM. We did, sir. We completed. See here, usage for item category, everything is told, only I'm touching now. See here. Everything you guys are forgetting, no practice. Hey Kerala, what are you doing, man? You are the only guy from Kerala getting me cried. Huh? Where is it from? List button. Everyone forget. This button list. I told before. 1 second, I'll take the charger. Okay. So if in here we don't know we are having bomb or not, just I'm trying. Okay. It is having bomb. So we can take from here. Okay. Why it is not coming? I don't know. Wait. Maybe material issue. I don't know. Okay. It's not treated as it is not as a material. So some material issue. So if BOM is maintained through this list button, we can pull the material that is already covered topic. This is list button. BOM we already completed. Okay. For PM module. Right. Okay. So yeah. Okay. Header. This is the material we are doing. Date. This is the work start date and work end date. Okay, you have the priority here. From the priority, dates will be coming. How much urgent my work is, high priority, low priority, like that. Okay, so that is this one. This activity type. Okay, this is just only for grouping, reporting purpose. Okay, what and all works done during shutdown. Okay, what and all works done related to painting. What and all works done related to safety. Like this, you can segregate your work order through the maintenance activity. Okay, right. So these are the activities work. This is discussed. Calculation key is very important. Okay, component is discussed. Okay, so list button is discussed. Okay, costing we'll see, that is different topic. Okay, we'll see. And then in the additional data you will get your F integration, company code, like that will be coming. Okay, and in the location you will get your maintenance plant. Okay, your planning plant, company code. Okay, your equipment F will have, right? The details and all will be coming here. Your location type same there, nearly copy. Okay, that and all will be coming here. Planning, if it is through preventive, you will get the details in the planning tab. Control, who created, okay, when created, that details will getting from here. Okay, so save the work order. This is a general message, no worries. Enter. This itself half an hour. We didn't do anything. So change it. Okay, enter. If you go to the control tab, see here my ID and my date, right? So that you can check here. And it is not from preventive. So leave this. Location tab, maybe FL is not having the data. Okay. So this is F integration. Okay. This is how to basically create a work order. Any questions or doubts from anyone till now? Okay, right. So okay, so I created the work order. Next step is release. Okay, release. We are going to release the work order, right? We are going to, where I am writing, man, it is. Okay, so next is release. Okay, release. This is the button. This is the button to the release. Okay, you can click it or order function release. This also you can do. Okay, order function release. So now the status is created. Okay, order, function, release. This is a normal, don't worry on this. Okay, see that button went off. This button is not here now. This flag button is not there, it went off, and the status changed to REL. Status changed to REL. You can see here, status is released. Status is released. Okay, so we have released the work order. Okay, we had released the work order. Okay, any cost is released. We have the cost rate, material. It's okay. Labor, no cost. Okay, fine. Right. So I release the work order, save it. This release you can do while creation also. It's not that you need to come out of that. Is this way I'm telling. If you want, you can release this way also. So you can enter your data here. Okay, whatever you want, right? This is a little slow. Right, you can enter your activities here, hours, duration, calculate work, press enter, right? Your work will get calculated. You can release it directly also, no issues. While creation itself, you can release it. It's up to business to decide. Okay, right. So we had released. Release is kind of approval, as I told. Okay, release is kind of. Okay, don't use the word approval. It is kind of authorization. Yes, this work can be started. This maintenance work can be started. Okay, right. So next is settlement tool. Okay, that we will discuss during F integration. That is a separate topic that we will discuss later. Okay, after settlement, confirmation. Confirmation means labor activity completion. India means these people are working, right? Technicians, they are working, right? This work is completed means you need to come and do the confirmation. T code IW 41 for only one activity and 44 for multiple confirmations. Okay, so okay, so I'll create one more array. I'll tell you the reason. Okay, I didn't release, I am saving. I didn't release, I am saving. The number is 80721. If I do confirmation, it will not allow. Order is not released. Confirmation can only done if the order is released. Okay, confirmation can only done if the order is released. If the order is not released, you cannot do confirmation. You cannot do confirmation, that I showed you practically. Okay, so order should be in release stage. So this order we had already released. Okay, see the status of the confirmation key. This is the control key. See the status now, what is happening. Okay, I'll take from the top. Okay, control key is editable. Okay, now I'm going to do the confirmation T code IW41. Okay, first activity will do operation activity 10. Press enter. What happened? Then different order. Yeah, so 19. Okay, IW 41 is the T code for confirmation. First activity I'm doing. Press enter. So this is the screen for confirmation. This is the screen for the confirmation. T code IW41. Okay, so this is your work order number. This is your operation activity. Operation activity means this number. Okay, for which activity you are doing confirmation, right? This is the confirmation number generated by the system. Okay. This is the confirmation number generated by the system. This is the work center. Okay, that is this work center. Okay, this work center. Okay, very important work center. Anyone can guess why work center is important during confirmation? Any guess? Anyone?
Because the capacities resources utilized.
Correct. Still one main point is there that we touched a little. Okay, fine. What Kerala? No answer. Madam?
Work.
Madam, any clue? Okay. It is for the labor cost calculation. Remember activity type formula, work center. Many things we need to learn. Okay. I am speaking of these two fields. Your labor cost is coming from the work center. Okay. Fine, no issues. We'll discuss that. Okay. So this is the hours entered in the work center, right? But we can change. That's not our. It may increase or reduce. So I'm putting 12 hours now. Okay. So you need to click final confirmation and no remaining work. Okay. You need to click final confirmation means there is no pending activities. No remaining work. Same. Okay. Press enter. No error. Save it. Save the confirmation. In the means I'm telling to the system for this work order, for this activity, my work is completed. Any questions here from anyone? Why we are doing confirmation or any doubts here? The remaining work you can keep 0. Okay. When work is started, ended, and all you can enter. That's not a matter. No work, no doubt. Okay, save it. So this is 719. Go to your work order now. Did you guys see any change here? Your control key is non-editable. Here it is editable. In the means, if the confirmation is done, your control key will not be able to edit. Clear or any doubts? Right. So for one activity, I did the confirmation. Okay, let's see the costing anything. Actually 0. Labor cost is 0. So I cannot tell the cost. Okay, that's okay. Right. So now you can see the status here. Partially confirmed. Because I did confirmation only for one activity. Still there are many activities confirmation to be done. Many activities confirmation to be done. So that I can do in IW44. Order number is this. Go to IW44. How many activities are there? 90. For 10 it is done. So remaining 82. Okay. IW44. Enter your work order number. Right. Press enter. Okay. All actual data. Select the line. Okay, so give your operation from 20, right? 0020 30 40 50 60 70 again 80, right? All your things are copied. For each confirmation, it is generating a number. This is your work order number, operations. Okay, this is your original work center, plant, activity type we'll discuss later, and the same final confirmation, no remaining work. Okay, you need to give the tick mark. Press enter if any errors, no error. Okay. Any questions here, please? Anyone? Any doubts or questions? Any questions here? Guys, hearing me?
Yes, sir.
Any questions? Any questions here? So each confirmation on activity number, confirmation number will get generated. Okay. So this is your operation activity number, the actual work. You can change the actual work. Okay, that's not a matter. Okay. Right. You can change it because my work may change. Right. Madam, this confirmation is there in CS also, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So this is about the confirmation. Save it. This collective confirmation. This is called as collective because I'm doing collectively for multiple orders also you can do. Okay, different orders with activity numbers. Save it. My God, but saved. I think so. This is called as dump. Okay, we'll discuss later. Now go to the work order. We'll see. No.
It is showing partially confirmed, sir.
That is already one is confirmed now. I showed last topic.
No,
VTV
the
we
last
did,
time.
yeah.
The dump one, no?
First one. So it will tell
Yeah.
partially confirmed. Because others
Because
are
of the
pending.
dump, yeah,
Tell me.
because of the dump, the all
No.
other
Dump is different. This is standard. This is standard. Dump is not related to this. This is standard. Dump is not related to this. This is standard. It is working correctly till now. That is your question or some other?
Yes, sir. That is only.
No. This is standard. Okay. So I'll try to do again collective. Luckily, if anything. Maybe bug in the program that we don't know. Okay. Let's try. Okay, if you want to change it. Sorry, sir. There is some bug in the program. Okay. Some system issue. It is not our issue. Some system issue. Okay. I'm trying. Even I don't know this much, but I'm trying. Okay. Just about operation order number. Right. T 70 80 7 to this man. Status management does not some other issue. Okay. Right, I am not able to. So unfortunately, okay, that is collective confirmation. I will try it later. Okay, so we'll do here itself IW41. Okay, our bad luck, it's playing. Okay, we know final confirmation or maneuver. Okay, if you want to change this, say this. Okay, like this you can do confirmation for all activities. Okay, collective is not working, so I showed you single. Okay, if you see here, second also confirm done. Okay, so when all are confirmed, this will be non-editable and you will get the status CNF. So this is called confirmation. Any questions or doubts on confirmation? Anyone? Okay, no doubts. Okay. Before TECO, you need to finish your MM activities. This MM integration. Okay, now we'll touch it later, not now. That's separately we'll do. After you, because before you complete your activities, you need to take your materials, right? You need to use it, then only. Actually, what will happen? After release, you will take the material, you will use it. After material using only, you will do the confirmation, right? That is the general process, right? So after confirmation, you need to do TECO. Okay, now the work order is in edit mode. I can edit it, right? I can edit it, right? So TECO, this is the button. This is the button for TECO. Flag, next flag. Okay, or order function complete TECO. Both ways you can do. You can do both the ways. Order functions complete technically. See, okay, it is coming here. Hold on. Where is my mouse, man? Sure. My mouse is not working. Okay, lucky. Okay, will come this and later will come finance part. Okay, so now I am doing TECO. This button are here also. Okay, function complete technically. So normally you'll get a pop-up. Normally you'll get a pop-up when the TECO is being done. Okay, so we are going to see notification later. If you give this tick mark, okay, in the notification also TECO will happen automatically. This tick mark. Okay, if you give the notification also TECO will happen automatically. If you want, don't remove the tick mark. Okay, let it be as it is. Enter. See, I am opening in change mode, but work order is in display. I cannot modify anything. Nothing I can modify. Work order is in display. After TECO, work order will go to display mode, but can be reverted. That's not about. I can cancel the TECO. I can cancel the TECO. I will try to show you. Functions complete cancel TECO. Functions complete cancel TECO. Press enter. You are getting edit mode. You are getting edit mode. Okay. Cost anything is there? Nothing is there. Okay, this is okay. Fine. We'll see it. Right function complete. Again, I'm doing TECO. Okay. I just showed you how to reverse. This is cancel TECO and again TECO. Right. Enter. Okay, the work order will be display mode. See the status here. Technically completed. Any questions on the TECO?
Sir, takeover can be reversed, but release order cannot be reversed.
Release won't release now. If the status is released, it cannot be reverted from release to create. Not possible. Below everything can be done. Everything. Even confirmation also we can cancel. That we are going to see next class. But released cannot be brought to create. I told yesterday also. Go and see my Excel. In Excel, everything is there. See here. Reverse possible. Okay. Reverse pos not possible release. Okay. You can read my Excel slowly. Spend time in my Excel. I'm telling everyone. Spend time in my Excel. You will get lot of information. Lot of info. Okay. Right. So TECO is done, and the next step is settlement. Unfortunately, here there is no cost. Okay, that's what I checked. Actual cost is not there. This is the field. This is the field. We during costing we'll see. Don't worry. Just I'm telling. This is the field. The last field here. This field. Okay. This is the field. Okay. If you want to do settlement, this is the place you need to see if cost is there or not. This field. Okay. Unfortunately, here no cost for now. Okay. Anyhow, I'll show how to do. Take code is KO88. KO88. Okay. So slash and KO88. Your order number same. Okay. Go here. So settlement period means month. Which month? Now we are in July month. Right? You can do for July month only. You cannot do for previous months. It will throw error. See here. If I am putting February. See. But normally this is normally it will throw error. Okay, period is not open close. Normally you should do for your current period only. Okay. So put here 7th month, execute, there is no cost. This is not error. It is telling information already settled or there is nothing. Now we are in the second plate. Since there is no cost in the work order. If cost is there, it will show you the cost. Okay. So when you do the settlement, the cost, what will be here, this field will go to 0. That will see again during settlement we'll see. So this is about this is a test run. Again you need to remove, again you need to run. Now there is nothing, just I'm telling. Okay. Tomorrow I'll try to have an order with cost so I can show the settlement. And the last is work order closer. So there is no flag. This is the button, complete business. With the complete business, you can close the work order. The status CLST. Order is closed. Closing the work order. But if cost is yet to, if any cost yet to be settled, it will not allow to do closure. That will I'll try to show tomorrow. With the cost, I will show you. Now it is closed. I can cancel it. Cancel the business completion. Closing is nothing but business completion. Business closure or business completion. So now CLSD status is there. If you cancel it, CLSD event and TECO came. And again, if you want to, you can cancel the TECO. It will come to release status. This is the basic work order process, guys. Costing I didn't show. I'll try to show this one tomorrow. Other than this is the basic steps in work order. Go through any questions you guys can let me know tomorrow. For now, any questions? For now, any questions or doubts? Any step? Anything? Tomorrow I'll try to show this with the cost. These two steps I will show you.
Sir, is MIGO not required?
That's what I told you. We didn't go at all. That's a separate topic. We'll go. That's a separate topic. I told you. Integration. That will go one class.
Okay.
That will go one class. It will go. MIGO, Myro, service entry sheet, everything. 2 class it may go. We'll go. First we'll see the PM. Then we'll come to there.
Okay.
Here is there now. That's what I told. Release. After release, you take the material. Without release, you cannot take the material.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
If you take the material, you will consume it. After consuming, you will do the set confirmation. In means labor activities completed. After that, only take over.
Yeah.
Your MIGO activities will do normally will happen before labor activities. I didn't go to the integration. Integration will come later. First, we'll see many things. Costing, permit, revision. We need to see warranty. Many things we need to see. Still, work orders, there are many things we need to see. Okay, activity revision, permit, right, like that. Many things we need to see. Yeah, guys, any questions from anyone? Okay, if no question, we'll close the call. Tomorrow, can we meet half an hour?